So this is the front part of the driveway. That is where my car is. I can't even see it anymore. I know where it's parked. It's right there. Before you could see the roof, it's gone. So I'm out here trying to dig out again some more, but I'm really not getting anywhere. We got down there a little bit more, and we had to reshovel this. It's bad. And now it's kind of got a little rain mixed in with it. It's so heavy. So after a couple of hours of digging, the snow has gotten so bad now that it's sticking to my shovel and I'm not getting anywhere. And we did, however, manage to find the back of the car. But I got a little tiny, it's almost like digging a tunnel on this side and a couple steps on this side, and scraped off what was on this end, but I don't know when I'm getting out of here. So another day, still snowing. This is my front door. Our step is still packed. We haven't got to this at all. It is very heavy now and wet. We're having a lot of trouble. I'm in the house, and there's the old fella out there. He's trying to get around the car. We got around the back last night in the middle of the night. Looks like he might be to the front door on the driver's side. But it's heavy this morning, so we're getting a little bit. And then the road still isn't plowed. They plowed a couple times in the last couple days, but I haven't seen it since yesterday now. And we might get out of here. I had to book off work. I was due to go in today for 3 o'clock. There's no way. But they are trying to find a way to drive people in if you can get out to your road. But this one's not even plowed, so I don't even know if that's going to work. Alright, I'm just heading out here to help. Finally not snowing. The old fella's out. He's been out for a couple hours. I'm coming out now to switch it up, let him go in, as his leg is killing him, and I'm gonna start trying to shovel, and we'll probably try to, I think we can get the door open now to try to start the car up. It's very heavy snow. Great if we were trying to build a snowman or fort, but right now we're just trying to dig out. There he is.
Yeah, fuck.
Yeah. Car is out. Bank is huge. This is what we have left to shovel. Road still hasn't been plowed. But I managed to get the car dug out, backed it up a little bit, piled with snow underneath. All the lights are on. But once it thaws out a little bit now, it should be better, I think.
Yeah.